Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today I am giving you the question answer of class 9 chapter Sound of Music. Okay, part 2. It has two parts. Part 1 I have given, and today I am giving you part 2. Okay, question answer, discussion, description, whatever I am giving you. And the first is, the dash was a reeded noise maker. Which is noises reeded maker? Which is reeded noise maker? That is pungi. Okay, pungi. Dash transform the pungi into a sehnai. Which transform the pungi into sehnai? Answer is barber. Who? Barber. Bismillah Khan's paternal ancestor were dash. बिस्मिल्लाह खान्स पैटर्नल एंसेस्टर वर डैश. बिस्मिल्लाह खान के जो पैटर्नल एंसेस्टर थे वे क्या थे? प्रोफेशनल म्यूजिशियन. दे आर प्रोफेशनल म्यूजिशियन. एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, बिस्मिल्लाह खान लर्न टू प्ले द सहनाई फ्रॉम वेयर? बिस्मिल्लाह खान लर्न टू प्ले द सहनाई फ्रॉम अलीबक्स. एंड बिस्मिल्लाह खान्स फर्स्ट ट्रिप अब्रॉड वॉज टू अफगानिस्तान. First trip abroad was to Afghanistan. Okay, and now I am giving you question answer and MCQ question also I am giving. Why did Aurangzeb ban the playing of pungi? Why did Aurangzeb ban the playing of pungi? औरंगजेब playing of pungi को बैन क्यों किए थे? औरंगजेब बैन द प्लेइंग ऑफ पुंगी बिकॉज इट हैड अ श्रिल अनप्लीजेंट साउंड. उसका जो साउंड था वो अच्छा नहीं था. And according to him, playing of pungi in the royal residence was not appropriate. And the playing of pungi in the royal residence वो अच्छा नहीं था. That's why he banned the playing of pungi. And the next question is, how is a sehnai different from a pungi? How is a sehnai is different from a pungi? A sehnai is different from a pungi as it has a pleasant sound. Sehnai has a pleasant sound and pungi has not pleasant sound, and this instrument has a sweet tone whereas pungi has a shrill unpleasant sound. And when a sehnai is played, it produces melodious sound. When sehnai is produces melodious sound, and this is not the case with pungi as it is a reeded noise maker, and the playing of pungi is reeded noise maker. And the next question is, where was the sehnai played traditionally and how did Bismillah Khan change this? Where was the sehnai played traditionally and how did Bismillah Khan change this? Bismillah Khan कैसे इसको चेंज किए थे? And the answer is, the sehnai was played at royal court, temple and wedding traditionally. Bismillah Khan changed this by bringing sehnai on to the classical stage, and the credit for this fully goes to him, and this credit goes to Bismillah Khan. Next question is, when and how did Bismillah Khan get his big break? How did Bismillah Khan get his break? Bismillah Khan got his first break when he was adjudged the best performer at the All India Music Conference in Allahabad. And he got the prize for it just at the age of 14. And he got the prize at the age of 14. With the opening of All India Radio in Lucknow in 1938, he succeeded in getting a big break. And at that time, he got the big break. And he soon became a popular sehnai player and was often heard on radio. ज़्यादातर रेडियो में सुना जाता था. And the next question is, where did Bismillah Khan play the sehnai? On 15th August 1947. And why was the event historic? Why was the event is historic? On 15th August 1947, Bismillah Khan played the sehnai at Red Fort in Delhi, and the event was historic as it was India's first Independence Day. Why? Because it was India's first Independence Day and he was the first Indian to greet the nation with his sehnai in the presence of many great leaders, and he played the sehnai in the presence of many great leaders. That's why he became famous. And the next question is, why did Bismillah Khan refuse to start a sehnai school in USA? Why he refused to start a school of sehnai in USA? Bismillah Khan refused to start a Sehnai school in USA because he had great love for India and Banaras. He had great love for India and Banaras. He wanted river Ganga also to be transported there for creating an atmosphere for him, and that was impossible in USA, and this is not possible in you. Whenever he was in a foreign country, he kept yearning for Hindustan, and so he had a great feeling of patriotism in him, and money was not important for him, and for him money was not important. Okay, and in next video I will give you extra question answer. Okay, bye everyone.